Boy, it's my birthday. Look what the birthday girl got. Oh boy, Publix chicken for my birthday. This is just so awesome. Whoa. Getting into second gear, getting into third gear running to take my chicken. Look at that. Oh boy. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday with Publix chicken. Happy birthday to me. You get your foot on that. You open it, honey. You got it? Oh boy. This is a help yourself. It's a Publix chicken buffet. Oh, Katie, look what's in there. You're so clever. You figured out how to open it all by yourself. Oh, nice crunchy bits. Oh, okay, wait. I think Daddy got wings. So I'll hold it for you so you can eat it. Here you go. Okay. I didn't get chicken fingers this time. Daddy must have had a craving for wings. Okay. Here you go. Gently eat the chicken wing. Pretty good. Nice and crispy, huh? Oh, there we go. Good girl. Oh, we got the new snack. Careful. There we go. Take the crispy bits, not the bone. There. Oh boy, Katie. These are pretty tasty. You're such a clever girl. Oh, Publix chicken. Oh, thank you, Publix. Thank you, Dad, for the treats. Want one more? Okay, I'll help you. There we go. No, you can't eat it by yourself because it's got bones in it. So there we go. Here's a little piece we rip off. Oh, so tasty. Everybody loves fried chicken. There we go. Okay. Happy chicken, Katie. There's another piece. Okay. Love you, Kate. Good girl.